Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Louisiana, a dilapidated 42 square meters shed transformed into a charming apartment. In Baton Rouge, design firm Tiek Byday transformed a forgotten 1920s outbuilding into a stylish, artful, and personalized residence. The design team drew inspiration from the building's utilitarian origins, even going so far as to invent a narrative to guide them. "You have to imagine it's the owner's son's summer home," says Jason Hughes. A house that pays homage to the history of automobiles and horses. Nearly every element was salvaged or restored, from the original windows, removed, sanded, and reinstalled, to the floors and hardware.